Watch this video and learn how to draw a rainbow unicorn.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Hello, little Arties.
Well, that was a very nice welcome, Artie.
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
Well, I'm pleased you're in a good mood.
Yeah,
What would you like to do?
Artie want to drawing.
You want to do a drawing?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, go and get your paper and your markers.
Hey, I'm Mikey Marker.
And I'm Betty Brush.
And
Welcome to Artie's Show.
Are you ready to begin, Artie? Artie? We're going to draw one of your favourite mythical figures, a rainbow unicorn. This is going to be fun.
Are you ready to make some art?
Follow along, little artists.
Let's start by drawing our unicorn's ears. We'll do 2 upside-down V shapes. Don't forget the right ear, Artie. Now let's draw her left cheek. Draw half a circle coming up and stop at the bottom of the left ear. Now do the same on the right side, half a circle coming down. It looks a bit like a cat so far. Now draw a sort of frown shape from one side to the other at the bottom. 2 little half circles on the ends. That's it. Now continue across the bottom, making a big oval-shaped nose. Let's draw some nostrils.
Okay.
Just 2 little black dots towards the top of the nose. Now let's draw a big, smiley mouth. Make it a little bit thicker, Artie. If Artie's drawing too quick, little artists, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw our unicorn's eyes. Just 2 little circles touching the nose, one on the left and one on the right. Let's draw some little black dots in those circles towards the top. Artie's really concentrating. Now it's time for the most important part of a unicorn, its horn. Draw an upside-down V shape coming right from the middle top of her head. A little curve underneath. And now let's draw some stripes coming down the middle of the horn.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Complete the top of her head. Let's give her some hair. Draw 2 little curves, one on the left and one on the right, and then connect those 2 curves with lots of little half circles. Where I'm from, this is called a fringe. In America, it's called bangs. Okay, Artie, it's time to start drawing her body. Draw a curved line on the left side going up to her head. And then on the right side, let's draw a sort of S shape. That's it, Artie, a perfect S. Draw another S right underneath.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
Let's draw a 3rd S in the middle. Why not?
Can we do some more?
Okay, why not, Artie? Let's draw some more S's underneath. And now a big one. That's it. Now let's draw her back. Draw a horizontal line coming out from all those S shapes that you did. And then a half circle at the end. Cartoon break? You want to stop and have a cartoon break? Well, okay, go on then. Artie, let's go and find some things that are shaped like a cone.
Artie loves cones.
Artie, your favourite cone is an ice cream cone.
Hey, ice cream.
Artie, here's a safety construction cone.
Cone.
What is that over there by the bench?
Hat.
That's right, it's a cone-shaped birthday hat.
Birthday cone. Artie loves cones.
That was a great cartoon break, Artie. We learned all about cones. And did you know a unicorn's horn is cone-shaped? Okay, let's carry on with the drawing. Let's give our unicorn some legs. Start on the left side with 2 straight lines, an angled line up to the body and another one just besides. Now complete her body, Artie. Draw a curved line all the way round and stop at the end. Now she has a body. Let's finish the leg. Let's draw a hoof at the bottom.
What's a hoof?
Well, a hoof is a sort of a foot. Cows have hoofs, and horses, and of course unicorns.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Now let's draw the front rear leg. Again, 2 straight lines, and let's draw another hoof on the end. Don't forget the little V shape in the middle of the hoof. Let's draw another leg, this time at the back. 2 straight lines, a little hoof, and the V shape. Excellent work, Artie. Let's draw her last leg, because unicorns have 4 legs. You're getting really good at drawing hooves, Artie. Practice makes perfect.
Don't you think that looks fantastic, Betty?
I do, Mikey.
Let's give our unicorn a lovely big tail. Draw a sort of question mark shape. That's it, Artie. And then do another one beside and join them together at the top. Let's draw a few question marks inside the tail. That's going to help us later when we're colouring in with our rainbow colours. Her body's looking a little bit plain, Artie. I think we need to add some detail. What do you think? Oh, he's had an idea, little artist. Oh, I see what you're doing, Artie. You're adding more curved lines so that we can colour in more rainbow colours. Oh, that's much better, Artie. Now she's looking pretty finished. She's finished! I thought so. Oh, I can't wait to see how you colour this in, Artie.
Give it a splash of color, Artie.
Give it a splash of all the colors.
Wow, Artie, she came out so good. I love the colours you chose. Purple, blue and yellow. She really looks fantastic. You're an amazing artist, Artie.
That's amazing!
You can say that again.
That's amazing!
You can say that again.
That's amazing!
Well, we hope you were drawing along at home, little artists, and we hope to see you again soon. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.